What's going on, guys? Samuel Bouret here with Adorama TV. In this video, I'm going to show you how to control your background exposure and your subject exposure using flash. Let's go shoot. Most people struggle with flash because they're trying to control everything at once. But the key is actually simple. Separate ambient light from flash and understand what each one does. I always start with my flash turned off. At this point, I'm only focused on the background. I adjust my ISO and shutter speed until the scene looks the way I want. If I want something darker and more dramatic, I lower my ISO or increase my shutter speed. If I want it brighter and more natural, I do the opposite. This step matters because the background sets the mood of your image. So I lock this in first. Once I'm happy with the background, I turn on the flash. Now the flash is responsible for lighting my subject. Instead of changing my camera settings, I adjust the flash power until my subject is properly exposed. This is where flash becomes predictable. If the subject is too dark, I increase the flash power. If it's too bright, I bring it down. My background stays exactly the same because my ambient exposure hasn't changed. If I'm going for a natural look, I use flash as fill. But if I want something more dramatic, I start by slightly underexposing the background. Then I raise the flash power to bring my subject back to proper exposure. This creates contrast and separation and makes the subject stand out more. And then there are modifiers. A softbox will give you soft, flattering light. A bare flash is more contrasty and dramatic. Choosing between them helps define the mood of your image. Once you understand how to control ambient light, flash power, and modifiers, flash stops feeling confusing. It becomes intentional, it becomes creative, and no matter what you're shooting, portraits, lifestyle, or commercial work, the concept stays the same. Background first, subject second, flash last. All right, guys, I hope you learned how to control the exposure of your background and your subject a little better using flash. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll catch you next time.